This is a legitimate business that you can start within the hour and have sales like that. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm going to show you how to make money in like 1 hour, literally by making one Facebook post. You can even put your kids, grandma, side hoe, whoever you want to do this for you, they can do it. It's that good. My name is Jake. I own highresponsemarketing.com and printingforsupercheap.com. There's nothing to buy. You don't have to buy anything. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But so many of you are going to have sales like that. I'm sure that down in the comments, you'll see people who are seeing results right away. And hopefully that will be you as well. Because I do think in like an hour from now, you're going to have some sales and you're going to have some money rolling in. If you're watching this right now, it's the holiday season. Doesn't matter if you're watching this later, but right now is a great time. It's like the perfect time because you have people you know and people on Facebook that are ordering holiday Christmas cards. Those are those cards that you send with the picture of the family and the dog and everything. It says Happy Holidays from the Johnsons. They are ordering these like crazy. And then you'll have New Year's coming up as well. So you have holiday, Christmas, New Year's, Hanukkah. They are buying this stuff online and being charged a whole bunch of money, waiting forever. It's a painful process. I'm going to show you how to make holiday cards for them with no money on your part, cheaper than they can find elsewhere, and significantly faster. It is like a win-win-win for everyone. Plus, people love to do business with friends. This is a perfect way for you to get your feet wet into business with no risk, no money up front. Everyone can do this. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And by the end of this, you should have some sales. For reference, these are what 5x7. This is your typical size, 5x7 holiday cards. They can be single-sided. They can be double-sided. Well, these are wedding invitations. You can do all this. So it doesn't matter, like I was saying, it doesn't matter that it's a holiday. You have Christmas, holiday, Hanukkah. You also have things like grad party invites, wedding invitations, quinceañeras. People spend a ton of money on these. Baby showers, all these events, kids' birthday parties, all this stuff is going on all the time. And people spend so much money on these things, and they really don't care where they get them. That's where you come into play. I own a printing business, right? I own printingforsupercheap.com. We have this beautiful printer. It's an HP Indigo. Examples of some of my kids. I got a lot of kids. I have 8 kids. Super high quality, significantly faster for way cheaper, and you're going to make a profit on it, and people will enjoy doing business with you. So I'm going to show you what to post on Facebook. I'm going to show you how to fulfill this so it's no effort on your end and how to design these. Facebook is a great place to post these because it's full of the age group of people that are going to be ordering holiday cards, and you likely are already on Facebook with a bunch of friends and family and stuff. It can really get shared. It's a really high potential to be shared. Someone wants these cards, they are so likely to share. Or a lot of people, even if they're not, just because they're friends with you, will share it. So Facebook is like the perfect place to make a post about this. And if it doesn't work for you, it's 5 minutes of your time. You tried it, delete the post and move on. But I'm pretty sure you're going to get some sales out of this. What I would suggest you do is just use ChatGPT. Just the regular free version is totally fine. Just type something in like, give me a good Facebook post that helps me sell inexpensive holiday cards like for Christmas and New Year's, etc. So you just type something like that and it will spit back this incredible thing, even with the emojis and everything. You can change you got the hashtags. Like you can change this. You can say, make it more concise, make it more appealing, make it more casual. You can sit here for 20 minutes and just make different. It will create these beautiful Facebook posts for you. Like this didn't exist a couple years ago. This is really incredible. Like you could not do this kind of stuff even just recently. Like this is all new. Take advantage of it. Post it up on Facebook and you will see friends start to comment on it. Once you get them interested, you can just make their stuff in Canva. If you have not been to Canva, it is incredible. If you just type in holiday Christmas cards, watch this. You have over 20,000 templates. There's over 20,000 templates. Click one. Oh, look at this one with the family. Merry Christmas and New Year, and you just swap in their pictures. They send you their pictures and you just swap them in. It's so simple. We can fit 12 5x7s on a sheet, and I'm only going to charge you $5. So it's $5 for 12. I don't care what quantity, if you want 12, if you want 25, if you want 30, doesn't matter. You want 150. You start getting into higher quantities, it's even cheaper, but it does not matter. Some people only want 30 cards, 50 cards, 100 cards. $5. That's it. $5 for every 12. And then a $9 flat rate shipping. And the nice part of that is if you have multiple orders, if you say you have 3 or 4 or 5 people interested, it's still, I'm just going to charge you $9. That's it. I am extremely fast. We can print these out like really, really fast and get them to you all throughout the United States extremely fast. Speed plays a big factor. A lot of people need these things quick, or they're maybe thinking about getting them, but they don't want to wait 2-3 weeks like almost every other place charges. Most people, by the way, most online sites will charge express shipping that costs more, really express shipping. So it's like, might be like a 3-week ship for free, but then if you want it in 7 days, it's an extra $15, and it's an extra $30 if you want it in 4 days or something like that. In most cases, I can print the next day. If you are in a crazy rush, I can even print that day, that same day. And if it's early enough, you are looking at 1 to 2 days max, no matter where it is in the United States. These beautiful cards that you make, I will have them to you and even blind ship them to them under your name, but I'll have them to you in like 3 days max, sometimes just 2 days, no matter where you are in the USA. You give me the artwork, I am ready. No one has to know it came from me, nothing. It just came from you. You are now the official greeting card, wedding grad invite, holiday cards, Hanukkah card person. It is a legitimate business. Perfect for kids, seniors, disabled, stay-at-home mom. This is like, for stay-at-home moms, this is like incredible because it lets you be creative. You know, you can do it while you're holding the baby or the thing with the baby's eating, typing on the thing, designing a card. This is just like perfect. It really is. College students, it's great. You're trying to find something to do in your free time, and you can print your family's Christmas cards. You can print your extended families, your cousins, all those, and make a few bucks. This is not going to be like making $10,000 next month. That's a whole other system. I could show you how to do that. Just click the link up there or in the description below. But this gives you something. It gives you fast cash. People can Venmo you, PayPal you, cash. It is a super fast turnaround of cash. There's like no risk. You're not putting anything up front. You're literally just making a social post. Do it around Easter time, do it around Christmas and New Year's and whatever holidays coming up, and people make a post about wedding invites. You know, have a wedding coming up, Jack and Jill. There are so many like wedding invites, these RSVP cards that have to go in weddings. You can make all those. These are all on Canva, Etsy templates, Canva templates, grad party invites, events, holiday, and even I'll give you a good example, funeral thank you cards. So friend of mine, her brother just passed away, very tragic. She had me do the thank you card, the thank you for coming to the funeral, you know, remembrance card. It looks like this. And I don't want to say we're exploiting like events like that, but just to give you an example, when you help someone in those times and you make something as simple as a remembrance card or a wedding invitation or grant, they get so emotional and they see their loved ones on it. It means so much to them that they will refer you to other people. They will make posts on Facebook themselves. They will say, these things are so amazing. I can't believe how cheap this was, how fast this was, how perfect these are. Please go to, and they put your name and they tag you, and this thing gets shared across the board. And now you have a bazillion people coming to you for invites. This can be anyone. I don't know any business. This is a legitimate business. It's a legitimate business that you can start within the hour like this and have sales like that. Real sales. When you deliver them, you drop them off or you blind ship, have me blind ship them or however you get them to them. Right when they get them, say, well, hey, would you just mind just posting them on Facebook and tagging me? I'm just trying to get the word out. Something to that effect. And when they're so super happy and stuff, they'll take a picture of them, they'll make a big Facebook post, and now you get all that organic sharing from all these people, and it reaches their audience. It just kind of it's a mini explosion of that. People have these events happen. They'll reach out to you for the next year's Christmas cards, for the next year New Year's, for all their kids' birthdays, birthday invites, grad party invites, all these people, and then their friends. And then as they get another kid comes up to graduate, another kid has a birthday. This stuff just keeps going. And it also leads to, what else do you print? Can you make me business cards for my friend's business? Can you make me banners? It leads to signage and yard signs and postcards and all this stuff. In fact, I have, if you really do want to invest in something of how to make this a business, if this really interests you and you say, wow, I think I want to make kind of a business, it's called print brokering, by the way. It's where you broker print. You like provide the printing and the design, and then you have it outsourced in the background. You're brokering print. It all still looks like it comes for you. I do have a guide. It's called Selling Print from Scratch. If you do want to pick that up, the link for that is below. But you don't need any of that. You literally don't need any to invest in anything to make this work. Go on ChatGPT and go paste them on Facebook and just wait overnight or something. I'm telling you, you're going to have people interested. You're going to have people sharing it. You're going to have some sales. Put them lazy kids on something while you're sitting home, whatever, you're watching Netflix. You could be selling these holiday cards. This is something that maybe, it might be a little bit just to start out with, but it can expand into very legitimate business you can feel great about. I would suggest charging $1 to $2 per card. You may want to charge $2 per card if they're ordering 25 of them, or charge $1 if they're ordering 50. That is totally up to you. You are in business when you're doing this. So do a little bit of business stuff and just get a piece of paper and write down how much it's going to cost you. $5 per 12 plus $9 ship, and just figure out how much you want to charge per piece. And envelopes, if they want envelopes, I would suggest just Amazoning it. It's literally the cheapest place you can find envelopes. You can even go, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. The envelope size you're looking for is called A7 size, which is just a little bit over 5x7 so that they fit. You can do glossy finish, matte finish, doesn't matter. Both are really nice. One customer, even if it's your auntie, it is a customer, they will likely buy more. So however many years auntie has left, if she's got 6 more years left, that's 6 more orders. Then you get to sell the funeral cards after. So you even get a bonus one. You even get one more bonus afterwards. But that's a lifetime value. You will have people doing multiple orders. So even if one person only spends $50 with you, very high chance they're going to be spending $50 a year with you. They might be spending it a few times. So that turns into hundreds and hundreds of dollars when you look at it from a lifetime value perspective. My contact information is below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.